Hi, this is Kathy from Ladies Stamp-A-Lot. Today I wanted to share with you my March 2020 class to go. It starts with this all-inclusive card kit called Looking Up. The kit includes everything you need to make 15 cards, 3 each of these 5 designs. Let me show you what they look like if you make them as the directions tell you to do. So here's a really cute one with hot air balloons, and these balloons are popped up on the card. You can see that. This little black element matches the liner of the envelope, and then the envelope front matches the card. Really cute. Here's one with the cityscape. This has a little foil embellishment here. Again, the black matches the envelope liner and the front matches. Here's one with some palm trees, matching envelope. Airplane, one of my favorites. Again, this airplane is popped up, so it looks like it's flying right off the card at you. And here's some little border with some shiny foil paper in front of the envelope. And this last one look like raindrops, matching envelope. So this kit contains everything that you need to make 15 cards. Let me show you. Starts with the directions. You have printed full color directions, step by step how to make the cards. Includes a stamp set with 5 different greetings. 2 are for thank you cards, happy birthday, feel better soon, and a congratulations card, which could be any kind of congratulations event. You have a block, clear block to use with your stamp set, a Bermuda Bay ink spot, little ink pad. You get all the envelopes and card bases to make the 15 cards. You get 3 of these sheets. These are the embellishments that you would pop up on your card. Then you have the foil stickers. Some of these go behind the labels, and then there's some little accent pieces here. You have the dimensionals to pop their elements up, glue dots, labels, everything you need to make the 15 cards. Now, for the kit to go part, I'm going to send you supplies to make 5 more cards. So you can make take that stamp set and make another card. And let me explain a little bit how this is going to work. So you're going to get paper, 6x6 designer series paper like this. It will be together. You'll need to cut it apart. So what I did was I cut my paper apart into 2x6, and then this is 4 by 5 1/4. So I cut this part right here off, and then here's a little 3/4 inch strip. So I'm going to make for each of the papers 2 cards using some of the stamps and embellishments from that kit. This little piece, I'm going to do something special with that last, so watch till the end to see that. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so for this first set of cards, this strip I put here. Of course, it's different paper. And instead of putting these balloons on the card in the kit, I left them off and put them on this card and this card. So this is this piece here glued down with the label and the balloons, because the card as it comes already has the pictures of the balloon on it. They want you to take these embellishments and pop them up, which really makes the card cute, but this is also cute. So you can make the card like this, add your labels and stuff, and then to save the embellishments to make 2 more cards like this. Okay, let me show you what else I did. I took another piece of designer series paper. This is the paper piece that I just glued on the card. Added these little trees as a little embellishment. Those trees are supposed to go on this card over here, which you can make it up like that and be beautiful. You can leave it off and it'll be great, and you can just add it here to make another card. And then this piece is on this card here, and the palm tree is supposed to go on this card to add a little dimension. But this card is really nice just like this. when you add your label in that little foil paper. So you can make the kit go further by saving that embellishment on for another card. Okay, let me show you two more. This one is this piece of paper, and I just cut it across here at 2 inches and flipped it over. This is the back of this paper. Our paper's all double-sided. So I just cut and flipped it over and added the greeting. Really cute. With this piece, I laid it across the card this way and then popped up the airplane. So again, on the card as it comes, the airplane is already printed on it, and you're supposed to pop it up and gives it that dimension of flying off, which I really do love. But you can stretch your kit by doing this. Okay, love that one. All right, next one. Took this piece here and cut it in half both ways and then flipped over the pieces. So this is the front, this is the back, or one side and the other side. And then I just stamped on this circle and have a punched piece behind it. And then with this piece, same paper, I laid it this way but cut it apart and just sort of separated the pieces on that card. Added a palm tree. Instead of putting it on the other card, I saved it and put it on here. Makes the kit go further. All right, I have another one. Took this piece of paper, cut it at an angle, slid it apart on the card. This will be needed trimmed off because this you get slid down. So I stamped right on the card. That white is the card itself. And then when you cut that off, you're going to get a little piece that I cut and laid behind this piece, which is this piece. That's the piece I cut off from the front of the card and made another birthday card. This little sparkle is in that stamp set as well. Okay, then remember I said this is going to be left over on all the 5 pieces of cardstock or designer series paper. I took those and just arranged them in a nice pattern and made this card. So what I'm offering to you is, if you purchase the Looking Up card kit, item number 149651, it's $27 plus shipping and handling. If you order it from my store, kathywinter.stampinup.net, use the hostess code K4EFYRCU. Then I will send you the supplies that you need to make 5 more cards. So what you'll get is 5 pieces of patterned paper. Now they may not be these 5 pieces. I am just going to give you some paper that I have left over. It's all Stampin' Up! Retired 2 sides, so you get lots of choices. It will coordinate with the Bermuda Bay ink that's in your card kit, and it'll be a surprise as to what you get. You get 5 sheets. Remember, each sheet makes 2 cards, so if there's a piece you don't particularly like, then you'll have extra. You'll have plenty of extra, but he doesn't like all this paper. Love it. So you get the 5 sheets of that. You'll get 5 card bases. This is thick Whisper White cardstock, already scored to make your cards. You'll get the envelopes, 5 envelopes. You'll get a couple of these punched pieces. That's the same color as the ink. And then you'll get these labels, so you can choose which ones you want to use to make your cards. So you'll get to make 5 extra cards. Now, if you bump your order up to $50, which qualifies you for a celebration item, I will send you enough to make 10 cards. So you'll get 10 pieces of the designer series paper, 10 card bases, 10 envelopes, and twice as many of these labels if you order $50. And I would suggest that, if nothing else, you order the paper trimmer. that will help you to cut your pieces up. But you can order whatever you like. $50, you'll get twice as many goodies, and you'll get to choose something from the celebration item. Starting today, March 3rd, we have new offerings for celebration. So the reason I'm having you order this yourself and I'll send you the supplies is because some of our items are already selling out of the celebration catalog. So I don't want you to miss out on something that you really, really want while you wait for me to order it for you. The metallic thread and the sequins have sold out. This kerchief kit has sold out. This golden paper did sell out once. It's back, but it's sure to go fast. So if you're interested in this kit to go, place your order as soon as possible if you're ordering $50 so you get the item that you want out of the celebration. There are also items in here you can get for free with a $100 order. So lots of information I shared with you today. Please go to my blog, read all the details, contact me if you have any questions. I know it can be tricky with the hostess code, but that just lets me know that you purchased it from me so I can send you all these free supplies. Oh, and the other thing I forgot is I do have the set of directions for you. So when you order your kit, I will send you these extra supplies and then a link to that direction so you can put them together. So again, I hope you'll give this a try, and thanks for stopping by.